So what's your plan for getting past those guys?
Live bait.
Good idea. Hey,
Come on, Timon. You guys have to create a diversion.
what do you want me to do? Dress and drag and do the hula?
Wow! If you're hungry for a hunk of fat and juicy meat, eat my buddy Pumper here because he has a treat. Coming down a dine on a Stacy's fine. All you have to do is get in line. Ah, you aching?
Yup.
For some bacon.
Yup.
He's a big pig.
Yup.
You can be a big pig too.